So from finishing school, we having Miss Anukriti Sharma with us, and you want to say something about this award. You want to say something about the vibe. You want to say something about this beautiful red carpet.
Absolutely. The energy is vivacious. I would say three cheers to all the winners like Rashtratan Samman today. It is a testament of the grit, the hard work, the determination, and above all, the never say die attitude of all these people. Some of them are business people, entrepreneurs, startup founders, standalone personal brands like I am. So, three cheers to everybody who's winning today.
Well, wake up in the morning and be someone else is the best way of living for an entertainer. लेकिन as a communicator, क्या challenges आते हैं and how was your journey?
I believe I belong to the stage. The stage is my destiny, but it has never been easy. I was never born like this, of course. You were never born like that as communicators. We had to work our way through, but I believe that the stage as a platform of communication is such a powerful platform. It allows you to express, it allows you to, connect and engage with people because as human beings, we are social animals to the core, man. So the stage definitely works as a very instrumental power play when it comes to communication, connection, and engagement with the audience. And at finishing school, at my finishing school, we believe that communication, along with leadership skills, these two particular skills will take you a long way when it comes to your business, your enterprise, or your career.
Well, you want to say something to all the youngsters and all the inspiring communicators?
एक बात मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ that when it comes to your posture, always be powerful.
Okay.
Power dressing, extremely important. Yes. Whenever you enter into any room, have that executive presence and always believe in building your own personal brand. I believe that personalities can be transformed through communication and leadership skills. एंड अक्सर जब मुझसे पूछा जाता है कि एज अ पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट कोच एट योर स्कूल डू यू चेंज पर्सनालिटीज आई डोंट but I do reveal your true personalities, minus the self doubt, minus the fear, minus the anxiety, and minus the fear of failure. So go for it, go for your dreams. Zindagi ek hi mili hai. Life is just one. So go for it, kill it, and live your life to the fullest.
वेल बहाना पड़ेगा पसीना तभी तो मिलेगी खूबसूरत हसीना हम उस ट्रॉफी की बात करें यू वांट से समथिंग अबाउट द अवार्ड अबाउट द लाइक ट्रॉफी एंड अबाउट द वाइब्स
A huge big salute to all the winners along with me.
especially for brand icon.
Especially for Brand Icon for providing such a huge platform. Like we were speaking about the power of the stage just a couple of minutes ago. It is such a humongous platform for all those people from across the nation who have put in their hard work, grit, determination, and a never say die attitude to receive the kind of success that they've received, to reach that pinnacle of success where they're standing today, and to receive that recognition and appreciation from Miss Kangna Ranaut today. Nothing like it. So huge, huge congratulations to each and every one of you here at the National Capital.
क्या बात है मैम कितनी खूबसूरती से आपने बोला एक अवार्ड तो यहाँ भी आप डिजर्व करती हैं वेल थैंक यू सो मच एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक बेस्ट विशेस नाइस मीटिंग यू